Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you see me for the first time, welcome. My name is Buki Sheila. I'm a pattern dressmaker and today I will be showing you how to make this 15-minute simple and cute summer top without any pattern. So without further ado, let's get into the video. This is all you need for this project: your fabric, machine thread, measuring tape and a scissors. This is a four-way stretch fabric. This is a scrap fabric from a project, so I have had to join my in at a point there just to extend the width of the fabric, and I cannot remember the name of the fabric, but any stretchy fabric would do the magic. Okay, so now I'm just measuring the width so you see what width I will be working with. This will depend on your size, so you could easily try this on. As you can see, I'm working with 54.5 inches width and the length is, I'll say 13.25. okay, so now we know the width and the length of the fabric. I'll repeat it again: 54.5 width and 13.25 length. So now I am going to fold the fabric in half like this, right side facing each other, and I'm going to sew with half an inch seam allowance all along the top. Also, I'm using a stretch stitch as this is a stretchy fabric, so no matter how I stretch this fabric, the stitch is not gonna break. Okay, so after sewing, I'm going to trim off the seam allowance to about 1/8 of an inch, and once that is done, I'll turn the fabric to the right side. This is the fabric turned to the right side. Now I'm going to be folding the fabric to make a channel where I'll be pulling the fabric through. So as you can see, I folded 0.5 inch and then folded it over again to make this 1 inch. Now I'm going to sew to make the channel. As you saw, when I'm sewing, I did not backstitch. This is because I'm using a stretch stitch, so you don't have to backstitch. Everything is gonna be so nice and secure. So after sewing, you should have something like this, like a hole where you can pull something through. As you can see, it is nicely sewn. So this is the sewn part. For me, I have a joining at the some part of the fabric, so I like this joining to be at the back. Okay, so I'm gonna be making, like, wrapping the top up on my mannequin, but you could do this on yourself if you don't have a mannequin. So this is just so you get a clearer view of what I'll be doing. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap around like this. So like I said, this is the 1 inch part we folded. So I have this little tool here, so this is what I'll be using to pull the fabric in out of this little channel here. So I'm gonna put this here first, put this in, and then try to pull this fabric through this little channel here, just like so. And put this away now. So now the fabric is out. All you need to do is to like arrange this properly, making sure everything is nice and smooth. Okay, trying to get this part out. So as you can see, it's taking shape already. So this is it. You'll be having like some gathers here. Just trying to make sure this part is smooth. Okay, so this is gonna be pleated as well. So we're gonna make a pleat like this. Make sure everything is smooth. You could adjust this as much as you want. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the mannequin to the back so you see. So this is what the back is gonna look like I said, you could adjust it how you want. Okay, so this is gonna be sewn to this part. As you can see, I have my joining at the center back. Okay, so to sew this in, we are going, I will need to open up this part a bit, then put this part in, pleat it nicely, put it in and sew it together. For now, I'm just gonna pin it just so you see. So exactly what I have done, you could try it on your body to see how much of the fabric you need on this part, but this worked really well for me, and this is the top ready. And this is the back sewn nicely. I made two openings, one to fit the straps in and another one on the center back to get in between the fabric to enable me sew the straps on from inside instead of just sewing it on top. And this is how clean the finishing looks. This is what the top look like on me. Isn't this cute? This could serve as a bikini top as well as a summer crop top. So do let me know what you think on the comment section. Do not forget to like the video, share and subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and I'll see you on my next video. Ta-da!